So, hi, for this topic, we will discuss about the basic differentiation of rules. So, we have four rules, which is the constant, the power, the constant multiple, and derivative of a sum or a difference, which is the addition, subtraction. So now we're gonna um, explain the constant rule. Constant rule. So I'll write some sentence which is you can understand or the guide about the constant rule. So this is the sentence that I wrote for you to fully understand what is the constant rule. So if f of x is equals to c, where c is constant. So constant siya, no? So then f prime of x is equals to 0. So yung derivative ng constant. So equal lang siya lagi sa 0. 0. So let's have our example. So example number 1 natin. It will be f of x is equals to 10. Yan. F of x is equals to 10. So, yung ano natin, f prime of x, it would be 0. Diba? Sabihin natin, yung f of x natin, ito yung constant niya. Constant. The constant. Then, f prime of x niya would be 0. So, si y equal siya kay f of x, that would be 10 also. So, dy over dx would be 0 also. So, ganun lang siya na once yung constant niya, the derivative of that number would always go to 0. So, let's have our second example. So, number 2, it would be h of x is equals to, wait, so our digit would be negative square root of 3. So, h prime of x, dahil ito yung constant number, it will be derived as 0. Simply as that, 0. So, our next rule would be the power rule. Power rule. Then again, I'll write some sentence again for us or for you to able to understand what the concept of the power law. So here's our concept about the power rule. So if f of x is equals to x raised to n, then f prime of x will be nx raised to n minus 1. So, diba ito yung natin, given natin, ang mangyayari, yung nandito sa taas, lalagay lang natin siya dito, so ganito siya, ganito yung mangyayari. Then, itong nasa taas, maminusan lang natin ng 1. So, para mas full ma-understand nyo, we'll have some example. So, f of x is equals to x raised to 3. So, yan na yung example natin. So, yung prime niya, so, f prime of x, yan. So, di ba ito si raised to 3, ba dito siya, lalagyan mo siya dito sa unahan. So, ang gagawin lang natin, 3 times, pero ano pa rin siya, constant siya. Lalagay pa rin natin dito si 3. Then, we need to minus 1. We need to minus 1. So, ang equal natin by that, so 3 times 3x to the raised to 3 minus 1, that would be 3x squared. Kasi may minusan mo to, 'di ba? So, naging simple as that siya kasi 3 minus 1, it would be 2. Yan. Yan yung sagot natin. Simple as that na power rule. Basta pag may naka-raise dito, mo lang siya sa front, minusan mo siya ng 1. So, for our third rule would be constant multiple rule. So, what is this constant multiple rule? And again, I will write some guide again, or the concept of what is the constant multiple rule. So, for our third rule would be constant multiple rule, in which pagsasamahin lang natin tong constant and the power rule. So, our concept about the constant multiple rule, so if f of x is equals to k times h of x, where k is a constant daw si k, then f prime of x, is equals to k times h prime of x. So, para mas ma-fully understand natin yung concept na yan, we'll have some example. So, we have example of f of x. F of x is equals to 5x, sabihin natin 3/4. Yan. Dahil pinagsama natin si power rule, we need na meron tayo ditong nasa taas. So, para makuha natin si f prime of x, need natin tong i-derive. Like, so, f prime of x, wait lang, masa na ba to? Yan. It would be 5, constant siya, diba? Constant. Si 5. So, 5 times, to si 3/4, palalagay natin siya sa front. Pa? Katulad, diba dito, nilagay natin siya dito sa front. 4 times 3 minus 1. So, ganyan natin siya isusulat. So, basically, ang gagawin lang natin, si 5, ita-times natin siya dito. Times natin yan. So, the answer would be 15 over 4 times 3/4 minus 1. If we solve that, the answer would be negative 1/4. So f prime of x, yan. Ito na yung answer natin. Diba? F of x, times natin siya kay si k kay h prime of x. Kundi na ito yun. So, ito yung answer natin. And for the last rule of the basic differentiation rule, we have the addition, subtraction, or the derivative of a sum or a difference. So, again, susulat ko lang yung topic natin and the concept, the sentence that guide us on how to which we solve this. So, this is our topic, the derivative of a sum or the difference, or the addition, subtraction. So, ito yung concept natin. So, if f of x is equals to g of x plus minus h of x, then f prime of x is equals to g prime of x plus minus h prime of x. So, para, as always, we'll do some example again to understand the derivative of a sum or a difference. So, I have an example here of f of x is equals to 3x squared minus 7x. So, ito yung, ano natin, given natin. In which, si 3x squared, kasi 3x squared would be g of x, and 7x would be h of x. Yan. Yan. Lagyan natin ng arrow para gets nyo. So, diba? So, kompleto na natin to. Gagawin na natin. Kukunin na natin yung derivative ni 3x squared gamit yung power rule. Yan. Kasi diba, meron siya, diba? Meron siyang squared. So, g of x by g of x tong 3x squared, g prime of x na tayo. So, to get the g prime of x, would be 3x squared. Yan ang 3x squared. Kukunin natin yung derivative in which, magiging ganito siya. 3x squared, dahil nga, maminusan at 2, diba, lalagay natin siya sa front. So, 2, magiging, may 2 dito, lalagay natin siya sa front. 2 times 3 could be 6 times, then minus tong 1, lalagyan natin, diba, minaminusan natin siya ng 1, it would be 1. So, alam na naman natin na hindi na tayo nag-1. Nilalagyan na natin siya as invisible. So, it would be 6x. Yan. 6x. And then, para naman makuha natin si h of x, para h prime of x, we'll do the h prime of x. Ano si h prime? 7x. 7x. Para makuha natin siya, I think, ano na to? Constant. Like, so kung constant na siya, our answer would be f prime of x, yan, would be 6x. 6x. Negative. I forgot to write the negative, sabi na. So, di ba, negative 7 siya. Negative 7 din yung lalagay natin. So, negative 7. 6x minus 7 is the answer for our derivative of a sum or a difference. So, that will be the end of our discussion about the basic differentiation rules, which contains constant rule, power rule, constant multiple rule, and the derivative of a sum or the difference, or the addition, subtraction. Yeah, that will be all. Thanks.